If you're in the market for a new key fob for your Ford vehicle, particularly models ranging from the early 2000s through the mid-2010s, you might want to consider the key fob replacement from Superland. This aftermarket key fob is designed to match the specifications for a range of Ford and Mercury models, providing a cost-effective alternative to OEM replacements. This key fob boasts compatibility with a variety of Ford models including the F-150 series from 2004 to 2014, the Super Duty trucks like the F-250 and F-350 up until 2016, and SUVs and vans like the Explorer and Econoline. It's impressive how it stretches its utility to even include the Mercury Monterey and Mariner for certain years. Ensuring compatibility with specific FCC IDs and part numbers like CWTWB1U793 and 164R8070, this product promises a seamless replacement experience, as long as your vehicle does not have a push-start system or passive entry. What makes this key fob stand out is the quality assurance and the readiness for programming. Each fob comes pre-tested using professional locksmith tools to ensure functionality right out of the box. Additionally, it comes with batteries and all necessary electronics pre-installed, which is a big plus. The fob operates at a frequency of 315 MHz and includes a 4D63 80-bit transponder chip, ensuring good range and security. One of the key points about this fob is the self-programming feature, which, although convenient, does require you to have 2 working keys to initiate. If you don't have those, you'll need a trip to a locksmith or dealership, which could add to the cost. The requirement for the uncut key blade to be cut by a professional is also something to keep in mind when considering the overall expense and effort involved in setting up. The fob's design is ergonomic, featuring just 3 buttons for locking, unlocking, and trunk access, which covers the essential functions without complication. Although it lacks the Ford logo, due to its non-OEM nature, this might not be a deal-breaker considering its robust build and functionality. In conclusion, this aftermarket key fob from Superland is a viable option for Ford and Mercury vehicle owners who do not have newer models with push-start systems. It offers a straightforward solution with a focus on quality and compatibility, while also being ready to program with minimal fuss. Keep in mind the additional steps you might need for cutting the key and programming if you don't have access to 2 original working keys, but overall, this product presents a good balance between functionality and cost, making it a strong contender if you're looking to replace or have a backup car key fob. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.